Greetings. Today, the moon starts out in Aries, where it is completing the themes of learning from our mistakes and trial and error, finding our courage to take action, make decisions, be who we are, step into new directions of authenticity. And then later in the day, the moon goes into Taurus, where we shift gears to get more grounded for tomorrow's new moon exact in Taurus. I'm Marina Orms here with your Astro Vibe for Monday, May 6th. And so we are wrapping up the current moon cycle. The moon is waning, and we are heading into that new moon tomorrow. So throughout the day today, we are releasing the old moon cycle, letting go of the things we've learned, the process of integrating the new discoveries we've made along the way, and then letting them come into our being so that they are now shaping who we are. So the things that we've learned, the mistakes we've made along the way, the risks we took, the things we discovered through the process of taking action and moving forward on things, the things we learn from that, right? So good, bad, indifferent, we learn something from the process of moving forward. And then as we head into the Taurus new moon tomorrow, we are integrating that and letting go of that, those experiences, letting go of those things we discovered, because they now become part of us. They become part of our body of knowledge, part of our wisdom, part of who we are, part of our experience. And as we head into tomorrow's new moon, we think about grounding and what it looks like to step into new ways of being based on some of those things that we've learned. So how are you creating a new sense of self, a new identity, new directions for your life, new projects, new ways of being based on some of the things you learned during the Aries moon cycle by taking action? Yesterday, I shared a quite in-depth video about the perspective of this Taurus new moon that's tomorrow exact on May 7th. And in yesterday's video, my video for Sunday, May 5th, I gave you the whole big picture of how the outer planets shape the background vibe of this Taurus new moon, and sort of some of the ways that we're changing and rearranging ourselves and learning new things about ourselves, and maybe letting go of some old beliefs, some old habits and patterns, some old ways of seeing ourselves and the world as we step into new possibilities, and how that is going to expand in the future. So check out yesterday's video if you missed it. Some great information there about the bigger picture of the energies of tomorrow's new moon. So on a practical level, we are integrating, processing some of the things we've learned. Pluto is now retrograde also, so we're going inward to check in with our own truth. How does this feel? Where do we need to make any adjustments? What are we learning about what it means about who we are and how we are more effective in the world to create the things we want? And then in the afternoon, my time, I believe it is at 2:40 p.m. Pacific time in the United States. So that would be 5:40 Eastern time, or you can adjust according to your own time zone, when the moon goes into Taurus. So with that shift of the moon into Taurus, we really enter into the grounding vibe, and this stepping into and creating what a new normal could feel like, does feel like, will look like. So those are some of the themes that we're going to be focused on around the Taurus new moon. So later in the day today, or depending on your time zone when that happens, but it could it will take us into this the moon is the mood, right? The mood of the day. So how we feel, what's happening on the emotional level, and that need for grounding. So how we want to think about that is connecting with the earth, connecting with our bodies, how we take care of our bodies, the nourishment, the rest, the good nutrition, any grounding practices you have, cooking, gardening, getting your hands on, doing projects, creating art, something that you do that helps you get into your body, helps you work with the material world, and see ways of shaping that and supporting, whatever you're doing to be beautiful and to thrive and to be nourishing if you're cooking, right? And flavorful, right? And so engaging all of your senses, getting your hands on things. These are the kinds of things that we can do to support our self-care around this Taurus new moon, especially once the moon goes into Taurus. So earth sign, earth new moon, earth moon cycle, thinking about that Taurus energy of stability, grounding, dependability, how we view reality and how that is changing, but also what it looks like to create new routines based on what we're learning about ourselves. So that's going to be the theme of the coming moon cycle. If you want the bigger perspective, check out yesterday's video on reality, disillusionment, and hope. So that was a deeper dive on tomorrow's new moon. And I do have a guided meditation available to support you with the new moon energies. A great time to listen to that guided meditation is anytime within a couple days before or after the new moon. It's $15. It's available on my website, or I will include the link in the description for this video. So Making Dreams Real is the name of the guided meditation. It's a 30-minute experience that guides you to connect with your own deeper wisdom and feel more peaceful and get more connected with the answers and the clarity that are going to be helpful to you. So it's a guided meditation, but it helps you connect with your own knowing, your own inner knowing about what's true and right for you. Making Dreams Real. Check it out at astrologyheals.com. I'm Marina Orms, and I have space for sessions, private sessions. So if you're looking to work with me, check that out at astrologyheals.com. You get 20% off your first session working with me. So let me know if you have any questions. info@astrologyheals.com is how you reach me and my team. Thanks so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel and supporting my work and sharing where you can. And thanks again. I will see you next time. Happy new moon tomorrow. All right. Bye for now.